Somebody has a big old pile of toys. Look at all those toys. Isis, what are you doing with all those toys? You want it?
Now I'm laying down to sleep. I pray the Lord listen to sheep. You're lucky with me through the night, and wake me with the morning light. Amen.
What you doing, Isis? You playing with the toys?
She's doing all up.
She's trying to eat the bear and rattle the rattles and kick them and growl them and throw them over her head, and she's loving them. She's a happy baby in all them toys. Then she's got a rattle worm. Kissing the bear. Good girl. She loves all those toys, doesn't she, baby? Now she's watching Harry Potter.